When we were thinking about the renovation, what we wanted to get out of the house was a combination of contemporary, a little bit of an industrial, modern, fresh and airy touch.
I feel like there wasn't really a question whether or not to choose wood. It was literally like the one thing that we knew.
Right from the beginning, we had narrowed down on hardwood floors. It's contemporary and it combines well with an industrial style.
We brought samples, and in the end it was seeing the samples at like different kind of light. At some point it clicked, and this floor in like different lightings was just beautiful, natural, but at the same time like gave it a comfortable atmosphere.
Actually, I was surprised to see that the Oggie floors are quite robust and can live with the daily life.
So I feel like we took a really good decision taking those Oggie floors. They just feel very easy to clean, and even with the dog,